Okay. The birthday girl. The boat is moving. Y'all, the boat is moving. I'm terrified. Yeah, so that's what's happening. Hey y'all, so I feel like I haven't talked and told you guys what is going on for real, but it's JoJo's birthday, so we're out on a yacht. Hey! It's big 20, so you already know. But it's hot, I can't focus, I have anxiety because I can't swim. And look how deep this water is, like, y'all know this water deep. But this probably gonna be mostly montage beats because I'm not trying to get copyrighted. And I can't see either. You have one?
Hell yeah. Oh. I'm curing my anxiety and my depression right now, sir, and you're inducing it. So please back away from my window.
Hey guys.
I'm not even gonna roll it down. I'm just.
You should have it on your dashboard.
Hey y'all.
But it's not illegal.
It's photo shoot day. Are you ready, Camille?
Oh yeah, I'm so excited.
I know I haven't spoken yet, y'all have been getting like just clips and stuff, but I was ironing and getting ready all of our shirts for our professional side of the photos. Yeah.
Oh, your fingers are so cute.
Thank you.
Did you write your name on it?
No, I didn't. I want to get a nice shirt.
Oh God, Rihanna is pregnant, child.
Who pregnant?
Rihanna.
Yeah.
She been pregnant.
I know, but
I thought about bringing my marker too, because I have.
She's pregnant. Like, look. She's really pregnant.
T-Bell Minx is here.
I wonder when she had that baby.
We're so excited. I'm just kind of wanting to get it over.
She was already like 4.
Orange on the rubber bands.
Yeah, if your baby don't want to come out, you know how that goes.
Yeah.
That's how the twins.
I need all my money back.
Let me count and make sure I got it all.
If my money go missing,
Girl, you know I don't steal.
no, why y'all throwing this in the air?
Oh yeah, we're gonna pick it up.
Wait, why y'all gonna throw it for real?
Alright, so
Is that appropriate? I'm just gonna do money spread like this.
so we're currently doing
Sponsored by T-Bell Meat. Put your watermark on it.
petition photo shoots. I recorded you a little bit.
So it's me and Kayla. I wouldn't lie to you.
should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance. This is hurting. Trying to make some simple change to me. A war in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. Choose the rise, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I leave my almost feelings. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my lips. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. This is hurting. Trying to make some simple change to me. A war in my mind. Gotta let go away. He was holding me. Still wanna try.
Over and now we're actually out at Kithes to get something to eat. I've never been here before, but I'm excited to try it. Y'all stay here? Yeah. So I don't know how yeah, hopefully it tastes good. Everybody's saying it does, but I gotta see for myself. It's just an epic fail for the first day. Like literally, I was trying to stay up and be a good girlfriend and wait for my boyfriend to give me a call back, so we could pray before we went to sleep. This idiot probably fell asleep because he never called. So I stayed up for no reason, forcing myself to stay up. And then I had like a really bad dream, so I did not wake up on time at all. And I live really far from campus, so it's not to my advantage at all. So my class started at 9, it's 9:15, and I got a little walk. So first day start off is just and I didn't even want to film today because I only have one class today. All my classes really are tomorrow, so it just don't really make that much sense. But I'm doing a lot today in the first place, so I guess I just started from now. I'm doing something actually I've never done before today, so it's gonna be really different to see. I don't know how to feel yet, but last semester dragged me through the mud, so I'm praying this semester just calm down a little bit, I'll see you guys after class because I'm already late, so I'm not walking and filming. But yeah. Hey guys, so I just got out of class and then I came to Woodlands. So if y'all don't know, T-Bell Minx, okay? T-Bell Minx. Yes, I'm scared. I've never got my lashes done before, but I trust her because she does such a good job with all her other clients. So I'm very excited.
Yeah, she's gonna be okay. Trust me.
I'm so scared.
You jumped out of a damn plane. Like, let's be for real.
We in the lab, y'all, with T-Bell Minx.
What did David say?
Don't do too much. I said okay.
I should put a volume just to get on his nerves.
Just to get on his nerves, right? You have a heart attack.
And then you gotta go to his place and then let the lashes just fall off on his bed, so he get really irritated.
He gonna have a heart attack. Okay, I think because I'm nervous, I'm starting to get hot.
Sorry. Lift the bed a little bit.
Up?
Yeah. And then come back just a tad.
Like that?
Okay, perfect. Whenever you're ready. Okay, you're gonna look back towards my chest. Perfect. Don't move. Well, don't stop breathing either.
Okay. I didn't even realize.
I be feeling like, does she do this on purpose?
Okay, y'all, so the lashes are done. Y'all will let me know in the comments about how I look. Very interesting, very new. I still have to get used to them because I just don't know. I feel like I look pretty, but I feel like I need to dress up, do my hair, and see how I feel. But she did me a very nice and natural set like I wanted. They're so pretty, y'all. Look at what bat fly away.
Girl, they call yours. If they call yours a bat, then girl, child, what they gonna call mine?
They're very nice. Very excited. I'm gonna get Dave's reaction when I call him, but right now I'm going to go to class with Woodland. Just because I paid the tuition, might as well get it.
Go in every class.
Go to everywhere. So,
Oh God, I think I remember my tuition. What I gotta pay that?
I'm sorry. What did I pull up on? Oh. Part 2 of photoshoot life, y'all. This is for my second org. I'm PR, so gotta come correct, okay? Okay. Tori's here too. Looking so cute. She's my co-PR chair. These are the shirts we got made. Super cute. Tori!
BWM photo shoot.
Yes, we look so cute from top to bottom.
Yeah.
We're professional.
And if you go to FAU, join Black Women Medicine. Yeah.
Go to.
What's up, G-Way? In the cut with my twin, we be vibing. Classy bitch, but